guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another video and today I'm gonna sing a song, and the title of my song is Only Trust Him. This song reminds us to trust in God, that the song reminds us that Jesus is the only way, the truth and the life, and only He can save us. So without any further delay, let's get started.
Don't put your trust in human leaders. No human being can save you. When they die, they return to dust. On that day, all your plans come to an end. Happy are those who have God of Jacob to help them and who depends on the Lord their God. Psalms 146, 3-5.
Come every soul by sin, oppress their mercy with the Lord, and He will surely give you rest by trusting in His word. Only trust Him, only trust Him, only trust Him now. He will save you, He will save you, He will save you now. For Jesus shed His precious blood, rich blessings to bestow. Plunge now into the crimson flood that washes white as snow. Only trust Him, only trust Him, only trust Him now. He will save you, He will save you, He will save you now. Yes, Jesus is the truth, the way that leads you into rest. Believe in Him without delay, and you are fully blessed. Only trust Him, only trust Him, only trust Him now. He will save you, He will save you, He will save you now. Only trust Him, only trust Him, only trust Him now. He will save you, He will save you, He will save you now. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.